Hello everyone, my name is Vera Ramazanova and I'm a business development manager at iVideon. Today it's a huge pleasure for me to tell you more about iVideon and our products, how we are collaborating together and what projects we've implemented, what tools we provide for small and medium business. So here you can see my contact details. You can always write me whenever you have any questions. I'll be happy to support you and consult on any iVideon and DAWA products, how we collaborate on projects. So let me briefly explain you our worldwide experience. First of all, we've been working on the global market for more than 11 years, and all our data centers are GDPR compliant. So today, more than 5 million users are working with iVideon client cloud and enjoying the service we provide. So actually, we've updated our website, so don't hesitate to visit it and check out recently implemented projects. All of them are described here, and we add one by one to our new website. So please check it out and share your feedback with us. So important to say that iVideon is really user-friendly service that helps you to run your business actually and business of your customers and clients, because everywhere you will see helpful tips, instructions, how to connect a camera or a special device, how to set up a module. Yeah, really, the platform is user-friendly and supports 10 languages. And our technical support is working 24/7, totally free of charge. And for our projects, for the projects of system integrators, installers, and distributors, we assign pre-sale engineer who provides support on each step of project implementation. Important to say that iVideon platform is an open platform, so that helps you to integrate with other systems. So we provide API and SDK to create new solutions. So developers from different companies integrate with iVideon Cloud and receive new solutions for their customers, receive an opportunity to create new products and integrate with third-party systems. As for intelligent modules, I will reveal some information on them later today. So as for the partnership with DAWA Technology, we really appreciate this partnership, and we've done a huge integration with the devices of DAWA. So we've been working together for more than 7 years already, and almost all devices are integrated on the deepest level, so you can set up cameras right in our interface. And important to say and reveal how you can connect DAWA devices to the cloud. There is a special opportunity for DAWA cameras. We've implemented such projects with firmware, so you can upgrade DAWA cameras with iVideon firmware, and you will receive iVideon powered camera. So you can connect DAWA camera directly to the cloud, and you don't need to invest into the hardware. No any extra hardware needed. So that's amazing. You just check out the list of supported models. We provide you with the firmware for specific camera model. You upgrade it and connect to the cloud. That's it. That's really amazing. So please, if you want to test free of charge iVideon Cloud with your existing camera systems provided from DAWA, just let me know in the chat or through the email, and I will share with you a list of supported models. Another option, if you don't find the model you're working with today, another option to connect your DAWA camera to the cloud is iVideon Bridge. This is a really new technology that helps you to transfer video streams from on-premise to the cloud and apply any video analytics on the camera. So your camera can be just a random DAWA camera without any extra functionality, but when you connect it to the cloud, you can put some analytics atop, and you can change it from 1 month up to 1 year. Yeah, it depends on your needs. So we support all existing platforms, Linux, Windows, macOS, and you can connect to the cloud even analog cameras with DAO DVRs. So you can create hybrid solutions and connect DAO video recorders to the cloud through iVision Bridge. Actually, this is the iVision Bridge itself. And actually, right now, we see the huge opportunity ever to transfer existing on-premise systems to the cloud. So of course, first option is when you create new solutions with DAO cameras and iVision Cloud VMS. That's what you can do, of course, but also you can target your existing customer base that are using DAO cameras, and you can transfer them to the cloud as well. That might be a backup for some critical cameras or backup for the whole system. Or maybe your customer wants to upgrade the system with some new functionality like facial recognition or people counting or people detection in the special zones, so queue detection or temperature detection. That's what you can do with DAO cameras and iVision. Just grab a bridge, connect it, put it into the local network, and Bridge will find video streams and will transfer them to the cloud. Actually, this is really easy to use device, only 2 cables, power and internet. That's it. Just takes 5-10 minutes to connect. And actually, a few weeks ago, we've done an update of the bridge, and right now you can create a hybrid storage for those sites where you have a limited bandwidth for the internet. So you can connect up to 1 terabyte hard drive disks to iVision Bridge or even micro SD card. So to learn more details on the bridge, just contact me here in chat or write me a message through the email. I'll be happy to share with you the information regarding the bridge device and how you can connect it to the cloud, iVision Cloud. So per one bridge, actually, you can connect up to 16 camera channels. So let's go further. Since we are talking about small and medium-sized businesses, you should understand what we provide. So they are really happy with iVision. First of all, this is the GDPR compliance and analytical tools we provide, smart reports we generate for our customers. You can scale up the system just by adding 1 camera, and that's it. You just connect extra camera to the cloud, don't need to pay any extra fee for connecting, and choose a software license. That's it. So you have everything at one place, such as centralized control center with even with video wall management if it's necessary. We have this solution as well. So you receive event notifications, access rights management, and our solution is failover and quite safe. I would like to highlight the ideal customer for iVision is a network of small locations, because the end user doesn't want to invest in the extra hardware. He has just, let's imagine 10 sites or 50 sites or 100 sites and 1 or up to 15 cameras per one site. The end user wants to create the united system of those cameras, of different cameras brands or different locations, and get access to the system remotely from one login. So you have everything, different functionality at one place. You don't need to use different software or different application. You have all cameras, all DVRs from different sites at one login. And you can apply facial recognition, temperature control, mask detection, people counting, or people detection at the specific zone, restricted zone, cash registers, ANPR, or even shelf detection. So yeah, that's quite easy and user-friendly. I advise you to test it and share your feedback with us. So I'm sure that you will like it. And we will be happy to provide you with free of charge trial licenses on your hardware, on your DAO hardware, for proof of concepts, for tests from 1 month up to 3 months, free of charge completely. Just connect camera and show it to your customer. So another functionality I would like to share with you is maps and broadcasting, because some customers want to monitor all video cameras on a Google Map. It's really easy to monitor cameras from distributed locations at one screen. Actually, you can also embed a live video feed from your surveillance cameras to the website or to the application. You can share access to your cameras with other users and attract more clients for your business if you share your business process on your website. For example, this is a pizzeria and you show how everything is settled inside the kitchen. So potential customers could monitor what's the process of pizza preparation right now in the kitchen if all the conditions are met. So that's quite interesting as well. As for the licensing method, you should understand that for one Dahua camera, you would need only one tariff plan, or you can call it one license code, software license code. And you can choose the retention period, like 10 days or 30 days of cloud storage, or 60 or 90 or more. And actually you choose the type of recording, whether it's going to be recording by motion or sound or sensors triggered, or continuous recording 24/7. The huge advantage of iVision is that you don't need to pay any extra fee for the number of cameras connected per one account, for the amount of data uploaded to the cloud. So just keep it in mind that there are no any limits in the amount of data uploaded, or no limits on resolution and number of users and cameras. So as for the specific module I would like to highlight today, this is a video on faces. So you can create different lists for VIP customers or for unwanted people. You can catch shoplifters or some monitor staff and working hours. So you just we just help you to generate lists and create reports with alerts. You receive push notifications on your smartphones or through the email. And of course, you can find the person by the photo. You get demographics and all statistics on age, gender in one interface. So you can create an access control or integrate it with your CRM. How you can use iVision Cloud with Dahua cameras, for example, in a store. So it can analyze faces, count visitors, unique visitors at the entrance, identifies a customer at cash registers, link it to CRM, and everything you have in one iVision account. So different hardware can be connected to one account. So actually, here you can see that we are an open platform, and you can create really huge solution for your business, even integrating with thermal measurement solution provided by Dahua or some specific series of cameras. So please try it out. We'll be happy to support you with technical quotation and provide you with free of charge trial period with full functionality we have right now. And actually all updates you will see in your interface. So we always update our software each week, each month. So you don't need to Google for new functionality. Everything will be displayed in your account. And if you need that, you will just purchase it. Or some functionality is going free of charge just as an upgrade of specific feature. All benefits you get right here, right now. So as for the facial recognition, usually it's used for loyalty programs, for charity programs, for club membership or community. So some cases to sum up, there are some cases I would like to highlight today as well. First of all, for example, Dahua cameras were installed at the store entrance, and there were facial module connected. So you should know that you can connect any camera to the cloud and apply any analytics. So all analytics is processed in the cloud. So shoplifters, due to this facial recognition module, we've helped our clients to find the shoplifters. So that's how we reduced losses of our customer. So for more cases, you can also contact us. We will be sharing with you all references and testimonials. It will be a pleasure for us. Another case with the clothing chain, where Dahua cameras were installed in the entrance of the store and fitting rooms exits. So we counted and created a special report for our client to see the percentage of shoppers who made a purchase after leaving the fitting rooms, and the results were amazing, that our customer made more revenue when they were counting how many people coming from fitting rooms to the cash registers. So the results were really amazing. Also contact me for more details about that case. As for the gas refilling stations and stores at gas refilling stations, we've connected our cameras to the cloud to monitor operators, to check the recordings of customer cashier conversations, to improve the company's standards, and to see if employees are in compliance with the company's regulations. So this allowed the company to grow the chain sales by 30%, just monitoring the process and operational process of their stores. They were observing work discipline and occupational safety measurement. Another case with banks and ATM machines, actually, there is a cloud, which is private cloud with Dahua cameras. So bank is using these cameras in the ATM machines, and actually the bank became the absolute loyalty leader among the banks with 50% of loyal customers. We've helped them to secure video archive storage, and that's how we help them to resolve potential disputes based on customer requests. And of course, we saved security resources. Another project I'd like to touch is about the neighborhood. Actually, there were 10 security points with Dahua DVRs, and they were connected to the bridge as well, through the bridge to the cloud. So the police had access to all video recordings of the specific area in Buenos Aires, and that's how we help the police to see the real-time video and have access to the recordings. So please don't hesitate to contact me for more details on partnership, on how to connect Dahua devices to Avidion Cloud. We have interesting opportunities for system integrators, installers, and distributors. So we will be happy to share with you some leads if you're an expert in video surveillance and digital transformation. You will be provided with your personal reseller dashboard, and we'll be happy to reveal more details on how to get all bonuses from Avidion. So it was a pleasure to be here today with you. Please don't hesitate to request a free trial and our marketing kit. It will be a pleasure to talk to you soon. Bye.